Hey, Colby, can mommy have her medicine?
Uh, uh,
Give me my medicine.
uh,
Yeah, mommy wants her medicine.
uh,
Why not?
uh, uh,
Uh-uh. Let me have it. Give it here.
uh,
Give me my medicine.
uh, uh,
Colby,
uh,
give me my medicine. You dropped it. Mommy's gonna get it. Come on. Let me have it. Can I have it? Yes. Mommy needs to take it. Can I have it? Give it here. Come on. Mommy needs to take some medicine. Uh-huh. Come on. Let mommy have it. Yeah, you're rotten. Give mommy your medicine. Give it here. Let me have it. Can I have it? I need to take some. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yay. Good job.